We are having a very special visitor at PETECH stall, a division of Phillips Machine Tools here at Hall 4. Actually, today is the day of Imtex, and normally we thought there will be less crowd, but unfortunately or fortunately, we are having a lot of visitors coming and looking at the machines which is there. Welcome to Imtex.
Thank you.
So this is Gavin Price. Gavin is making India proud by making so much precision component and selling it globally. Can you just tell how you make that happen?
Yes, we started in 2015, and I'm sure many of you follow us on LinkedIn. We are a big user of Hyundai, Haas, and also some Indian brands such as Lokesh Machine Tools. And now our business is about 85% export, and we cater to major OEMs in aerospace, with pumps and valves, and also medical devices. But we've come to Imtex purely to look for what new technologies are around, and really we're sort of focused on automation and more high-tech machines such as Hyundai, twin spindles, multi-axis turning, hence the reason why we visited Phillips.
Actually, I follow you on LinkedIn, and I see that you do some amazing works. You're talking about aerospace industry which you are catering to. So how difficult it is to get the components machined, and how Hyundai, the products from Hyundai helps you in that?
Yeah, Hyundai, which is sold obviously via Phillips, is a good product. It's accurate. It does, the service levels from both Hyundai and Phillips is very good. So it keeps the machine running. The type of products we make are high precision. We need accuracies, and it's a good product for that. So this is why partnership with Phillips, and we continue to see what products they have, so will allow us to grow.
What are the opportunities India as a country will have in machining critical components?
India has huge opportunities, and this is one of the reasons why I came in 2011 and 2012 and stayed back, because I saw the opportunities in sort of manufacturing. Now there's a lot of companies doing a lot of machining and activities in all sectors. There's some that are really doing good things, and I think that's what's going to grow India in terms of its manufacturing capabilities. I still believe India's at the very early stages. I still think a lot of machining methods, training, technology needs to be adapted. But I think in the next 5 years, we're going to be, India's going to be a powerhouse for machining. And we're getting a huge amount of inquiries from global. We're seeing more and more orders come from other low-cost countries, and we're winning them based on our quality and reliability rather than price, which is really good. Certainly at Aaran1, we don't always offer the cheapest, but we tend to pride ourselves in quality, a certain level of service that you get from us, and the sort of hand-holding experience that we give our international clients.
There is no doubt quality comes with a value.
Yeah, the quality, what people miss about quality is it's not just saying the word, which is often banded around, quality, quality, quality. Now, when you walk into a machine shop, if the parts are going to be good or not, because you can see. And my early plan for Aaran1, when I first started, was not spend all my money on machines. It was, with my budget that I had at the time, I spent 50% of it on machines, and 50% of it on quality. So when the customer came in to see the plan, they said, okay, you may have started with 3 machines, but you've got the latest Cole's Eye, CMM, optical scanner, Trimos, you've got all these big brands. I have, because I'm serious about my quality. I can always have machines, but I can never have quality. So this is where we started, and now today, every year we invest in quality equipment. We keep putting, now we're up to 3 CMMs, we do optical, we've got scanning, we've got 3D reverse engineering capabilities. We've got a big selection of contour tracer, keyhances. So when the customer comes and sees us, he walks into our shop, the first thing he sees is 2 big quality rooms that temperature can go on and go, okay, I can see you've got the equipment. We just don't talk it, we use it to deliver what we can do. And that's why we've been successful. We're not always the cheapest, and sometimes we don't always take the order simply, but we try and deliver a quality product, because that's our main reputation is the service level or the quality level that we can deliver. Without that, you can have 100 machines and you can have 100 CMMs, but if your quality's bad, you're not going to grow.
And if you provide the quality, the customer is going to come back.
Correct. The customer, see, quality is now, it should be a given. You know, we shouldn't be paying for quality. We should be saying quality is a given. Delivery is obviously important. Unfortunately, in this market now, everyone wants everything urgent. Price is obviously important, but I would say if you're a serious buyer, then, you know, people understand that price and cost is two different things. But we've been supplying products over December period where there's been the shutdowns in the UK. We've been taking orders on in 2-3 weeks. We've physically collected material from the UK. We've manufactured parts and delivered them back quicker than what they could get locally. So this is some of the, you know, claim to fame really. And we've literally hand carried products to the customer. So, you know, sometimes it's the personal service at work.
That's commitment, that's passion.
Yeah.
You spoke about two things, that is quality and speed. Where do you feel that Phillips partners with you there?
Yeah, Phillips is good. You know, they come, they service fast, they support. You know, they're happy to do, you know, work on a quick deal to get you a conclusion with your machine. You know, they've got a good selection of products we can choose from. You know, they're doing some good things in terms of making their own machines. So yeah, Phillips is an all-round sort of supplier, and I'd say, you know, one of the better, if not the best, kind of distributor of machines and sort of handler of machines, imported machines and local machines in India. Out of all of the ones I've worked with in the past. See, the difference with Phillips is that you buy a machine and then you're almost like part of the family. They're look to sell you another machine. They won't just forget you, and that's what I like. You know, the guys, they all know, they all want to, you know, support you. They've always been helpful. And one of the best things I found about Phillips is recently we had an experience where we ordered a product. And I sometimes order a lot of products from trust. I never see the machines happen. You know, okay, it's a lathe or fine. Give me the price, fine. I trust you, I order. But then we had a product which we were unsure about, but we ordered. But after Phillips took the delivery of the product, they said, come and see once, because I don't want you to buy it if it's not for you. I would rather you cancel your order and decide on a different product than sell you this product and end up saying, you know, 6 months down the line it's not working out for you. And you know, I ordered for example, a £200,000 product, you know, plus. So it's a lot of money, and they gave me the opportunity to rethink rather than push on the order on me, which is very commendable. So that was a really, you know, honest kind of business relationship for the future. And I think that's, you know, I've not experienced that so much in India. People just take the order and say, right, you know, it's your problem. So I think Phillips is a genuinely good, commendable supplier. And I think if they get it wrong, they'll help you out. And I think if you get it wrong, they'll help you out. So it's about relationship building. And that's what Phillips does.
Give and take.
Yeah, correct.
On a proper way.
Correct.
See, actually, what Gavin told right now is not a secret. It is all available outside how Gavin is happy with the Phillips team.
Correct.
So thank you for your wonderful time here. I believe you are going to get more best machines from here, and you are going to make us proud again and again.
If they give me some good discounts, yes.
We will tell that to the team. Thank
you
you for your time.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.